everybody, it's Miss Barrett and Miss Tyers.
Hello.
And welcoming you to our end of week Pride Assembly. I'm particularly excited today to share that the Pride winners both have shown incredible determination, independence, responsibility, problem-solving capabilities and empathy. So in fact, they've covered all of the Pride areas, and that's a real incredible feat. So, at home, nominated by Mr. Hall, it's Fatan. Fatan, your English work this week has been phenomenal. When I've had a chance to give feedback on Class Dojo, I've absolutely been astounded by your quality of work, your choice of vocabulary, presentation is incredible, your handwriting neat, cursive joined, and just your thoughtfulness behind every single piece of English work this week. It has to be rewarded with the Dunkirk Pride. So really well done for representing the home learners this week. So congratulations to you. Now, in school, on a similar vein, somebody who demonstrates all elements of Dunkirk Pride, and in particular, their problem-solving capabilities in terms of maths, and their love of maths, and their desire to do maths and just think of numbers and deal with numbers day in, day out. And yes, you've guessed it, if you've been in class, you know this is Farah. Farah, it's your turn to be in Dunkirk Pride this week. You're a phenomenon with your crazy mathsness, but what a great role model you are to everybody. So you really deserve Dunkirk Pride this week. So congratulations to Farah, congratulations to Fatan, and well done to everybody else. There's been some amazing work going on this week, whether you're in school or at home. The team in Year 6, Miss Tyers, myself, Mrs. Lodge, Mr. Hall, we're really proud of you. Keep it up. Take care, be safe, and I think it's going to snow soon, so enjoy.